Today we will be doing a 10-minute affordable school makeup look. I asked you guys on Instagram what you prioritize when doing your makeup and how long it takes for you to get ready. Some of you said between 10 to 15 minutes and others said 30 minutes to an hour, and I'm both depending on the day, especially if you have class in the morning. I'm sure most, and if not all of us, prioritize our sleep. Majority of you said your eyes and lips are your main focus when doing your makeup, so we'll be doing just that. We're gonna keep this look very simple and easy to follow. First, we're gonna start with our eyes. I'm using this palette from ColourPop. Oh, that is pigmented. This is my first time trying this palette since I wanted all the products I use in this video to be all drugstore and affordable. I did not expect it to be that pigmented, but we're just gonna keep blending. Note to self, a little goes a long way, so I might have to do this one again and add powder lightly. We're also gonna blend the eyeshadow underneath our eyes. Since not all of us are experts in doing eyeliner, all you need is an angled brush, and I'm gonna take the darkest shade from this palette and create a wing. You can clean it up with your finger. Since I want more pigment, I'm going to go back into the eyeshadow. Instead of drawing a line, I'm going to dab it. We're going to do the same thing to the under eye and create a straight line. It's almost like a double wing. We're gonna take the excess left over and create an egg cell. Now that my lashes are curled, I'm going to take this mascara from Essence. I believe this one's a really popular one. There's also the L'Oreal mascara, the telescopic mascara, I think. That one's also good, which I've heard. I'm just gonna remove the excess. We're gonna lightly apply mascara. Now I'm gonna apply it to my bottom lashes. For my brows, I don't do anything to them. I don't apply any products. I just trim them every few weeks. For the sake of this video, I'm going to apply clear brow gel just to fluff it up a bit. This is from Benefit, and I know that's not drugstore, but this is the only clear brow gel I have. We're going to skip foundation and just do concealer. I'm using this one from Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know if this is my shade either. I probably should have bought another concealer as backup. It's okay, we're just gonna spot conceal. Before I blend it in with a beauty blender, I'm gonna use my fingers. Tap it gently. Yeah, this is definitely light. A few weeks ago, I was feeling burnt out and in a slump, and I would love to know how you guys deal with burnout. It happens to me often, and I know it when I act like a vampire afraid of the sun who lies in bed all day. I also neglect a proper skincare routine, which is why my skin is still healing from that. I do try to drink as much water as I can because that is the easiest thing I can do for myself. You can still see some spots peeking out, but of course it's not going to be perfect when you do your makeup in the morning or you're rushing. I'm gonna blend it. Again, like, why is this always happening to me? My foundation is always light. I can never match it with my whole body. I got sent this powder from ColourPop, and I've been using it all summer, and I wish I got it before I went to Italy because I would have loved this there. But it's okay. It's okay. Especially if you have a similar complexion to me, I think this will complement your skin as well. We're just gonna apply the blush right here, close to our apples and near our eye. Did that make sense? I hope so. Do you see how pretty it is? Because I do have oily skin, I'm going to use this powder from Maybelline. I'm just going to use the sponge that it comes with and apply it on my T-zone. It also comes with a mirror, which is nice. I'm going to bring some color back into my face using contour. This one's too cool for school. I know it's not drugstore, but I don't have a drugstore bronzer or contour. I've been seeing this trick online where you blend vertically like this instead of like this. I don't know if it actually works, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to take any product left over and contour my nose. Doesn't have to be perfect. Before we move on to lips, I'm going to go back to the palette and take Blitz out and put it in the center of my eye. I'm going to use this ultra blotted lip from ColourPop in the shade Made You Look. I'm going to apply it to the center of my lips and then blend it outwards. I'm also going to add some more on my Cupid's bow, almost like a lip liner. Then we're just going to add some lip gloss. I'm using this one from Essence. It's their Extreme Shine Volume Lip Gloss in the shade Clear. Again, we're just gonna apply it on the center of our lips and on the cupid's bow. And here's the finished makeup look. Obviously it took me more than 10 minutes to do because I was talking, but it's super simple and easy to follow, and it's affordable. I really wanted to incorporate drugstore products so it's easier for you guys to use, and I hope that helped. With the start of a new semester, there always comes self-doubt. I often reflect on if where I am right now makes me happy, and if it doesn't, what should I do? And if I don't know, I overthink. It's my 3rd year in community college, and even though it's not mandatory, I always feel pressured to get a degree within 4 years. I mean, there's just so much to do and so much to choose from, and of course I'll just save that for another topic. I'm lucky to have really supportive parents who just want the best for me. I guess I'm just setting these unrealistic expectations on myself. Clearly, I'm aware of that. Throughout this year, I've learned to be more open with the people close to me, and it has helped me in times when I feel at my lowest. Or when I overthink, they help me see the picture clearer from afar rather than up close. I don't want to sound like a college counselor, but we all have our own path in life. It's really easy to compare ourselves to others, especially on social media. Keep in mind, most of us, including myself, like to share the good rather than the bad, and there's nothing wrong with that. Here's the thing though, no one knows how hard you work behind the scenes but yourself. Which is why you should treat yourself more kindly and patiently. Wherever you are right now, your dreams and goals for yourself, it's possible. Don't feel pressured to get there at a faster pace because someone else did. Your dreams and goals will come true one day, and in that moment, everything you've done and experienced was all worth it. Slow and steady wins the race. I am still not over When I Fly Towards You, and when I was watching it, it also reminded me of Love So Beautiful, and I haven't watched that in a while, but it's my favorite drama. It's like the first C-drama that I've ever watched. When I watched it the first time, it was on Netflix, and I tried searching it up and it did not pop up. It only showed the K-drama version, which I haven't watched. I only like the C-drama. Sorry, it's just a classic, and luckily it's on Viki. We can always trust Viki for all the good dramas, and now I'm happy and I'm gonna rewatch it. I still remember the storyline, I just forgot some scenes and like moments. I just know that it's good, and if you haven't watched it, you should.